I can little bushes, sir.
Stay away?
You can see right here, sir.
Yeah,
On the right hand side of the. You see the little bushes right there?
yeah.
You can go there.
Alright, come do that now. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. In today's video, it's probably going to be the last time I'm going to ever do a curry video, and that's because my cousin did tell me about his curry chicken that he did, and he says it's really good, so I'm very interested in trying it. You guys saw quite recently where, you know, the Italian actually made some curry chicken, and persons had a whole debate on the differences on how to do it. So anyway, I'm gonna try my cousin's chicken today. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. And yeah, curry is a thing that you can do it in every different way, and that's what I like about it. Everyone has their own little style. Yeah, that's basically gonna be as much talking as I'll do, because my cousin's gonna take charge of everything else, and I'll just film him and, you know, capture some nice scenes of this place for you guys so you can enjoy. Watch yourself. Yeah, definitely still a bit too wet. That's up here is good, but didn't bring any machete, so next time. Just to inform you guys, my cousin lives on the whole Better Pack curry. He lives in it. So that's one of the secret ingredients, yes?
Yeah. Ah.
Got some jerk seasoning.
Yep.
So I have a question for the persons that might be viewing, or what I heard. You said something like you put in the rice to soak.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
For me, when I put the rice to soak, it kind of gets a little. It cooks faster, and yeah, and I like the rice really shelly, not too soft and not too. Yeah, so just right in between.
I just learned something today. But it makes sense, though. Very practical. So you're using two separate types of curry, the Better Pack and an Indian curry. Got you. Is there any turmeric in it? No?
No, not. I think.
Turmeric is in curry, all
in
curry.
curry, yeah.
Okay. swell up a little bit. Are those tears of joy? I gotta tell you, man, I'm happy.
Girl, I like to know that you got the motion. Girl, I like to know that you got the motion. So rock the boat. Rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Rock the boat, darling. Rock the boat. Rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Yo! Yo! Boat are running, all the things that are already Jamaican thing. Yeah, man, vibes.
guys are Jamaican, you know. We prick some ice. We have some rice. Oh, I never meant to rhyme, but this time I'm on time.
Oh!
Alright, so I have some rice. Chicken. So I know you have some persons who love the gravy all over, but you can put a little gravy on one, that's just a little bit. You got a spoon first.
What can I say? Talk to me.
Really nice execution, especially on the rice. The whole point of soaking it, that was new to me, but makes a whole lot of difference, especially when you're doing like a Jamaican rice. The rice that we normally buy in Jamaica, the bulk one, it's a bit, you know, it's a bit tough, but when you soak it, definitely does it right. Good flavor, nice spices. Trust me, it's really good. Comparing it to, you know, the one that I had in the previous video, this one is definitely better. And I'm not trying to be biased because I'm a Jamaican, but yeah, definitely what we like, you know, nice variety of spices and stuff. Really good. Really enjoyed.
And my girlfriend was the one who taught me about the rice.
Okay.
Big up to her.
Nice.
Then he love you.
Guys, the rice tastes like when old people cook it. I swear to you.
What can I say? Hey, them catch big food. Hey! Round 2.
Alright guys, it has been real. I'm just basically here just chilling on this rock. Sounds crazy, but it's quite comfortable. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.